Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Josiah MCV. I'm here with your boy Rahul, my boy, but he's also your boy too now. And where are we going?
Charity shops, mate.
Gone to all these charity shops. So usually I'm always in Ilford in the ends, and let's be honest, we don't really find anything. Squat all. But we still find gems from time to time. Today we're in Angel and Islington. We came to eat at the Wild Food Cafe, very lovely vegan place. We're looking at all the charity shops that are nearby because we decided that we wanted to go look in some, and there were a plethora. So we'll start filming when we actually get to some. We just came back from one, there was nothing in there, but it was a lot nicer looking than the ones that you find in good old Ilford and Barkingside. So fingers crossed, I'm kind of hopeful this time around, mate. You ready?
I'm ready, man.
It's probably going to be the worst one, I can't lie. It doesn't look very promising, but we're going to go in with high hopes.
A few moments later.
Did you see potential in there?
Definitely not in it.
Cool, Sue Rider. Yes or no, mate?
We'll see.
Jeez, I like that enthusiasm, boy. Let's go.
Going Josiah?
That's alright, I was saying my stuff. I think it's good to see.
So you want to look like a truck driver?
This is what always a vegan never, mate. I told you already. Transition.
Hoi!
Sweet.
Sweet, mate, sweet. Even with the hat.
Let me see in the mirror. It's fine, man.
Animal level.
So it's already dead, isn't it? See this? Our boy's favourite brand. Shout out, Book is in the foreign languages section. It's all in Spanish.
I just bought 1984 on Amazon.
See, the difference is technology and the old school way, mate. What do you guys prefer? Don't look at me like that.
So who finds some Naruto. Bro, with the hat here, it looks like you're about to steal it from.
I learned the techniques to be gone now. If only I could edit that, so I actually vanished. But
You can't edit it, bro.
Oh, that's long, man.
Get out of the frame.
This Rahul is usually our best. Where the fuck are you? What? I thought it was that geezer walking up. Listen, I don't know what happened there, but anyway, here we go. I've just found APC, and you found... What is going on? Look what I found though, you didn't even see. Yeah.
No way. Is it real?
We'll have to check. Let's do our check. The last video found out what. Can't you tell? I just picked up this Armani coat just to show off when I see he's got 4 shirts in his hand. Ralph. Oh, look at that crocodile snapping.
Dolce &
Gabbana. Is that your boy? This is everything that we found apart from like all the little cool accessories and stuff. I want you to try this on though because you were actually looking for.
want that, man.
How much? £16.50. Come on, mate. Don't take me for a mug. What's up, guys? So this is a sneak preview back in the changing room. Don't tell no one that you're in here with me. But here's the issue that we're facing. This is all really cool stuff. APC, all suits, but the prices are like here. This is the kind of price that you would sell it for on Depop, and they're so high because we're in kind of a more central area, so they know they can put items at a higher price. If I found this in Ilford, it definitely wouldn't be £27.50. You know, cancer research usually blesses us with them low prices. But let's try it on and see what everything looks like anyway, and I'll just see whether it's going to be good turn up. Negotiating for £20 instead of £27.50. But you know, remember, you can always talk to people.
Homeless clubs.
Listen, it's for the aesthetic. APC, man.
APC gloves too we need to get.
Okay, boys and girls, we've got 3 more stops to go to. Rahul's getting a little bit tired. Look at those eyes.
I don't know what I...
Wait, bubble tea's this way, man.
Bubble tea break, and then we'll be back into the charity shops and see what I want. You happy now? Wow. Are you feeling lucky, rude boy? Because this one's not about books. I think you're about to be as dapper as that man in the mirror. I mean, window. Alright, get in. Made in the USA. Genuine merchandise. Atlanta. Shout out Amigos. Shout out. What's the one? Soldier Boy, apparently. Soldier Boy from everywhere. See, I'm current. I stay with the Soldier Boy memes, you get me? Calvin Klein. New York City. Look at that old embroidery, mate. Extra small, made in Thailand, so we're not too sure what gender it is.
What does it say?
Just a little piece of Maison Margiela, mate. Don't know if that means anything to you, but it is what it is. $14.99. Might have to get my little Japanese swag on there.
I feel about that. 내 마음을 적셔줘 내려줘. 메마르지 않게 아프지 않게.
What the f...
This is Maison Margiela.
What size is it?
I don't know, but it's Maison Margiela. Look, dude. Oh, I wish I was wearing Supreme today. So, guys, that was us shopping around Angel and Islington. Now, I don't know if you can tell, but we're absolutely knackered. And made minus £20, but we bought that APC. What have we learned today? Don't go thrift shopping or just central London areas. All the prices are sky high and there's not much difference. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Go on, say it.
Comment, subscribe, and buy from us Depop.
What a guy. Safe.